Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a review about the Power Lead system. And I just want to talk to you about a program that I've been in now for almost 30 days. And I've been having some great success with this opportunity. And what I want everyone to know is that I'm on a 120-day journey to prosperity. So I'm going to be giving you guys a video. I'm going to try my best to do every single day. And I just want people to follow me on my journey and see how I do. Utilizing traffic. Okay, so for those that don't know, that traffic is the brains of your business, it's the blood of your business. Whether you're doing postcards or if you're doing online traffic, you need to have eyeballs always looking at your opportunity, because that's what allows you to keep the opportunity consistent, to keep bringing in more money into your opportunity. The more eyeballs, the more money. So what I'm really looking to do is to really learn over the next couple of months, master traffic, okay? And I'm going to really be digging in, diving into, video marketing, running paid traffic through solo ads, Facebook groups, and also my Facebook page, and being consistent with it, and then bringing back the results and letting you know what I did to get those results, because I want people to know that it's not hard to do. If you master 2 ways to run traffic, whether it's just purchasing traffic, whether it's through emails, videos, social media, I'm using Facebook, Instagram, or Twitter, you can leverage any of those opportunities, any opportunity utilizing those platforms. So what I do is I really like YouTube, I really like Facebook, and I really love running just traffic, purchasing clicks and running traffic. And lately what I've been doing is that, because when I utilize free traffic, paid traffic, like purchasing solo ads and clicks, it just frees up my time, because I'm just giving my link and I'm running it to people that may be interested in the opportunity. So I'm going to always, like most of the time, I'll start out with my results, about how I'm doing so far and if I'm getting signups, just to let you guys know that with this program, it is pretty consistent, okay? And that's the thing, is you just want consistent signups and you want consistent opt-ins. And if you have those things, if you have consistent signups and opt-ins, you're just going to have a magnitude worth of commissions coming on a consistent basis. And if you have consistent commissions, you can literally prepare yourself to leave your full-time job, okay? And again, this takes time. It's not something that happened overnight. This is not a get-rich-quick type of thing. But over time, I promise you, if you stick in it and you apply what it is that I'm going to teach you, because yes, we do have a Facebook group where I show you step-by-step how to utilize the system. And that's really important, because a lot of people get into programs and the person brings them into the program and doesn't show them how to utilize the system. They'll just say, well, go into the back office and look at the trainings. And sometimes you need a little bit more than that, because there's some things that are missing, well, most of the time, and you can't quite put the pieces of the puzzle together that way. So what I did is I took my time to break things down even further, so that I have a higher percentage of people coming in the program and staying in the program, because they're having success, they have funnels that work, and they're able to generate commissions on a regular basis. So with that said, if you just go here into, this is my my Gmail account, as of today, I had a gold member, and over the last couple of days, I really haven't been doing much. I didn't run any traffic. I am literally just on pause right now. I ran traffic the beginning of the week. Today it is Saturday evening. I have not ran any traffic from Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and today, okay? So what you're gonna see is basically what's been happening since I ran traffic as of the beginning of the week, okay? So I had here just today alone, and this is not me doing anything. This is just me teaching people how to utilize free strategies to get consistent opt-ins. I have here 4 opt-ins, okay? Today I had one here at 2:42. I had on November 3rd, which is yesterday, I had 4 leads come in. And what I'm going to do is show people how to get between 100 to 150 opt-ins a day. Because if you can get 100 people, 150 people every day looking at your opportunity, you are going to have consistent signups over and over and over again, okay? So that's the training that's going to be happening next week. And then I will be showing you my results over the next couple of weeks from just utilizing free traffic, okay? And that's what the Power Lead System is about. Is the Power Lead System is about getting leads and generating consistent leads. And they have a ton of training that they give you. And based on what you feel comfortable with, you pick out the training that you want to use, okay? So I had a gold member today. I had 2 gold members yesterday here. I had 2 gold members on the second. And every time you have a gold member, that is a commission that you receive. And gold members, you get $20 residual income. So each person, if you have 10 gold members come in, that's $200, 24, 60, yeah, $200. And you'll get that $200 every single month because it is residual, okay? Here I had 2 diamond members that came in on the first, okay, which is right here. And then I had 6 gold members on the first as well. If you go a little bit further back, on the 31st, I had 7 gold members. And guys, this is running cold traffic. Now, when I say cold traffic, in here I had on the 31st 2 diamond members. Cold traffic is people that are coming to your link that knows nothing about you, okay? They never met you before. They never been to your page. They just are clicking on the opt-in page, which looks like this. Okay, I'm going to bring it up for you. Here, let's just go into this. So what happens is they go into this, your capture page, okay? And these are basically just a place to connect with the person through an email. So they'll come in here, they'll put their email in. What happens is once they have their email, once they put their email in, you now have their email and you can follow up with them through a follow-up series. That is included in the Power Lead System. It's nothing that you have to figure out how to put together. We already have that. And then what they do is they spit out emails over a certain amount of time. And that's going to give them information over and over and over again about the Power Lead System, okay? So we have different capture pages. This isn't a capture page that we use to capture people's information and then send that information out to them so that they can be reminded, if they don't sign up right away, about your opportunity. And a percentage of those people are going to sign up to your opportunity, and they are going to be a part of your team, and they're going to help you to grow your business. Because every time someone signs up within a Power Lead System, you are going to make a percentage of the work and efforts that they produce, okay? So what I'm going to do tomorrow for everyone is I'm going to go through the Power Lead System. I'm going to go through these buttons here and what they are about and how to use them, and just give you some information about getting started and how I was able to produce. Pretty much I am making over $1,000 a month just starting out for less than 30 days utilizing this system. And this is going to easily grow to $2,000 and $3,000 over the next few weeks. It's just one of those things that you don't have to really sell the product. You are just literally giving people an opportunity to get a lead system that they can use for any business that they're currently in. And if they don't have a business, the Power Lead System can be their main business, okay? So yeah, I'm gonna break it down. I'm gonna talk about running solo ads. I'm going to talk about utilizing free traffic over the next couple of weeks. And we're going to get down to the meat and potatoes of this program and how I'm able to consistently bring in signups, which is our ultimate goal, because we're all doing this on a goal to make enough money to leave our jobs, to be able to work from home, work and live the laptop lifestyle that you deserve to live. So basically that's what my goal is. I just want people to be inspired and really take their business to the next level, to be serious, and to see my consistency, which will help others to see, you know, you got to be consistent in order to do this right and to make the money that you want to make. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also hit the bell so that you can get all of the videos that I put out about my journey with this opportunity. And I will stay connected with you guys through this journey that I'm on. And I thank you so much for watching my videos, and have a great weekend.